Hi everyone, welcome to our factory, Tangshan Technology Company Limited. I'm Maggie, is the sales manager of the overseas market. Tangshan Tech was founded in the year of 2015. Tangshan can design, develop, and manufacture for the high-end sanitary ceramic products, and we have supplied sanitary ceramic products to over 20 countries and areas from all over the world. Over 80% products were supplied as OEM orders, sold to such as Europe, America, and Australia, and the Japanese market. And although Tech is a relative new company, but our founders have over more than 20 years experience in this industry. Before establishing the business of Tech, our founders have been worked in Total China and Huida for many years. This is the unique background for our Tech advantages. One of our Tech founders is the expert in the machinery and equipment of sanitary ceramic products. He has the rich and professional experience in design, development, and manufacture for the equipment for many years. And our equipments have supplied to overseas and China very famous brand for a large quantity, such as Kele, Jiumu, Hengjie, and so on. So this is our unique advantages over the other factories in China. Also, the other two founders of our company have the rich experience in the raw materials research and development. Also, the rich experience for the production management, quality control developed. So all these advantages is the strong ability of our company that give us very stable background. The company also have the solid, strong R&D team. More than 40 persons in this team, include 5 CNC engineers and 11 development engineers. For the equipment, we have 2 CNC machinery and 1 3D scanners. All this facility and rich experience give the stable support for our development, OEM and ODM projects in the market. We have very strict standard in the supplied products to America and Europe. So our standard is according to the Europe standard, American standard. Also, we can develop and produce the various kind of ceramic products such as toilet, urinals, basins, and large size shower trays. We have very good and long-term cooperation with very famous brands such as Ideal Standard, American Standard, My Life, Panasonic, and so on. What is the important part I want to say is our brother company Sunlets have established in the year of 2006. This company, just now I said to you, can supply the equipment of the sanitary ceramic products. So we can meet all the requirements of the produced sanitary ceramic products. We have various kinds of casting lines in our factory, such as high pressure casting lines. This can meet large scale order requirement. Also have the medium casting pressure lines. This we use the resin mold to meet the complex products and give the customers for their specific requirements. Also, we have low pressure casting lines. We use the plastic mold, but it's different from the traditional ones. The drainage is very fast and no need to wait to dry out. So the efficiency is very fast than the traditional ones. It can produce about 12 times per day. Now, Tech has two factories. One is in Tangshan Tech, another is in Daqing City. The output capacity for Tangshan Tech is about 800,000 pieces per year. And for the Daqing City, it's about 3 million pieces per year. What I want to tell you is one of the advantages of Daqing City is this factory is near the northeast of China, and we can use the transportation by railway to the Europe. As you know, the transportation fee is very high by sea transportation in international markets. So if you select the Sino-Europe Express railways to the Europe, will save your cost and very faster than the sea transportation. So this is the main introduction about our factory. Depending on our ability and advantages of design, development, and manufacture for the sanitary ceramic products, and also for the ability, if you have any OEM and ODM requirements, you can contact us. I think we can give you the satisfied requirements, meet your requirements. Thank you for your watching, and next we will guide you to our workshop one by one. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hi everyone. Now we are at the working shop of our R&D team. Our R&D team at Tangshan Tech is with rich and professional experience, also with the professional facility. Now you can see we have two CNC machinery is working here to make the molds at the exact specification according to the customer's requirements. Later, I will have a brief introduction about our R&D team. Tangshan Tech have a long cooperation with high brand customers such as Ideal Standard, American Standard, Panasonic, and so on. We have worked for many years in this field, and we have very strong team, R&D team. More than 40 persons working here. Now you can see the engineers working at their site. The members include 5 CNC engineers, 11 development engineers. For the equipment, we have 2 CNC machinery and 1 3D scanner. For the depending on the rich professional experience, we can complete the development process from the 3D drawings to the first piece qualified product, then to the first shipment delivery to the customers. All this delivery are strictly comply with the customer specific requirements. Our main market is for the Europe and American market, so our standard is strictly and higher than the American standard and European standard. We have various kinds of customers and mass markets, so we can supply different kinds of sanitary ceramic products such as toilet, urinals, basins, and big size shower trays, and also other kinds of sanitary ceramic products. For the toilet, we have one-hand toilet, back-to-wall toilet, one-piece toilet, two-piece toilet, smart toilet. Also, we can supply the bidet. For the different kinds of flashing method, we can produce and develop the flash method by siphonic and flash down. Also the rimless and box rim. For example, we have the toilet series of 500 and 600. This series, most of them are rimless structure and the fully skirted by the shape. So these series products are very popular in the European market and faster sales there. For the urinals, we can develop and design, produced in different types and sizes, and also the sensors could be fitted on the urinals to be finalize the purpose of the flushing. For the basins, we can produce and design the different kinds of size and the types of the basins, such as bathroom, kitchen basin, bathroom basin, big size FF basin. Now we have developed a new product. It is FFC material shower tray. Till now, we can develop and produce this shower tray in the large size in 400 millimeters long and 1,000 millimeters in width. This is very large size. This kind of product is difficult to develop and produce. We use our own equipment to produce, and also we use the FFC material to finalize the function. It looks very beautiful and the stable performance. Deformation is very smaller. So this kind of products is very popular, and a lot of European customers would like to place orders with us. The important part I would like to introduce for you that we have stable and mutual professional experience in develop and produce for the molds. We can develop the resin mold and the plaster mold. For the resin mold, we can use in our casting line, high pressure casting line and the medium pressure casting line. For the plaster mold, we can use for the low pressure, faster drainage casting line. All the molds have give the stable support to our casting workshop to give large quantity orders for the customer specific requirements. So what I want to tell you is we have a stable, mutual, and rich professional experience for our R&D team, and also we have professional machinery and equipment to develop and finalize your OEM or ODM requirements. So if you have any requirements about OEM and ODM cooperation, just feel free to contact us. Later we will go to the office of our R&D team. Now we are at the office of our R&D department. What I want to show you is we have a professional 3D scanner. Now you can see our engineer is scanning for the samples we received from our customers. You may see there are many points marked on the sample, and the sample is reasonable for using, and the scanner is scanning in different angle, different direction to make the 3D graphic. You can see the top position, the computer is showing a 3D drawings. This is very professional scanner machinery to ensure all the details, specifications, and standards is strictly according to the customer's requirements, according to the samples specifications. So if we made out the 3D graphic, we will send this drawing to our customer to let you know the specification is meet their requirements or not. This is the procedure of the communication for the two sides. When the customers confirm the detailed specification, we will follow the next step to make the testing mode. Then to make the testing mode to the master mode, and then to the working mode, till we have the first qualified product. This is our whole process of the product development. So what I want to see, we have professional engineers, members, and also we have the professional machinery in our team. So if you are looking for the potential OEM and ODM partners, just feel free to contact us. So I think we could give you the good appearance and hope we could gain the mutual benefit. And now we are standing at the storage side of our raw material. You may see various kinds of raw material they will use for our slurry and glaze material. Our workers will deliver these materials to the tanks to use the process of slurry and glaze for different kinds of sanitary ceramic products. So later I will get you to our raw material workshop and let you know the detailed production process and the advantages of our raw material department. Everyone, now we are in the workshop of our raw material. You may see a series of raw material production lines. This is the ball millers for the slurries. The capacity of this kind of ball miller is 15 tons each. And at the other side, there is 2 ball miller for the glaze. The capacity for this kind of ball miller is 5 tons. Also, we have the iron separator to filter the iron from the material of the slurry and glaze. And we have various kinds of pump to let these lines running very easily. Also, under the ground, there are many storage tanks for the raw materials. You may see these lines lay out irregular. So all the equipment were produced by our company, by ourselves. This is one of our unique advantages. We can operate this machinery easily and solve the problem very easily. Now we are at our raw material lab. You may see there are many instruments for the testing and many small equipments for our engineers testing for our raw material. They will have a test in 1 week to guarantee our raw material about slurry and glaze to make our casting lines and our equipment to run frequently and efficiently. What I want to tell you is one of our company founders is the expert in the raw material. She has worked in Total China and Huida for many years. She was the manager of raw material department for a long time. So with the rich and professional experience in this period, we have had the top level in this field. Our slurry of the material is suitable for our casting lines. We have different casting lines at our workshop, high pressure casting line and middle medium pressure casting lines, also have the low pressure casting lines. The different performance for the slurry developed and researched by our raw material department, which are very suitable and frequently for our different casting lines, give the stable support to these lines. Later, I will tell you about our glaze. According to the customer's different specific requirements, we can develop and produce the glaze in different colors. Also can develop and produce the glaze in gloss glaze, matte glaze, such as matte black, matte white. Also can produce the antibacterial glaze, hydrophilic glaze. You may see our products such as 500 and 600 series. This is the fully skirted toilets. They can improve for the different colors in matte black and matte white colors. That they look very beautiful. So for the rich and professional experience of our raw material department, give the finished production the stable for the stable, low economic cost and high qualified region. So later on, I will guide you to our workshop, the casting workshop and also the fairing workshop. Now we are at the area of another high pressure casting line. This line can produce the ceramic products such as the large size tank shell, also the toilet outer shell of the smart toilet, and also some the kitchen sinks. This line have the advantages of high pressure, improve the efficiency. You can see the logo on the equipment, Sunlets. As I have mentioned, one of our founders was the expert of this equipment. So these equipment are all produced by ourselves. These founders have many appearance and rich appearance for the established factories of the equipment. So now you can see they are open the mold. This is the main body of the toilet. The high pressure for this line is about 10 to 12 kilograms, and the casting time will about 40 to 90 times per day. So it will reduce, and also it features the characters by the regularity and the tidy shape, and also the line will give the customers' requirements for the large scale order requirement. Now we are at the area of one of our high pressure casting lines. This line mainly produces the basins. High pressure casting line we mainly use the resin mold. The casting pressure is about 10 to 12 kilograms, and in this line, the casting circle is about 30 minutes per time. So in one day, we can cast about 12 times. The efficiency is very high. For this line, we can produce such as the basins, platform of a toilet, this small spare parts used for our toilet to support the toilet structure with the solid connection. And also in this line we can produce the squatting pan, small size shower trays. Also this line have the advantages, features the small bases and high efficiency, save the labors, and save the energies. This line also produced by our parents' product Sunlets. This is our unique advantages. Also, this line can operate and runs by the automatic method. You can see this is the operation cabinet. They can use the buttons automatic to operate this line without any problem. Everyone, now we are in the casting workshop. This is the casting line we call medium pressure casting line. This line we use our technology and equipment to build this line. It could produce various kinds of complex and various kinds of sizes products. In this line, it features the character about small space and adjustable speed is very fast. Especially we use this line to produce the inner core part of a toilet will fit with the other lines to fit a complete toilet ceramic product. Also, the pressure is lower than the high pressure, and the efficiency is very high. We use the resin mold to build this line and produce the products, so the efficiency is higher. Also, this line we produced by our own company, Sunlets. This is the unique advantages of our company. Hi everyone, we finished the semi-finished product inspection and the body is dry out. Now we are at the glazing area. In Tangshan Tech, we can glaze the products by intelligent glazing robot. Also can glaze by the menu. Also, our glazing production can be glazed products according to the customer's different specific requirements in different colors. Also, we can glaze the products by the glaze matte, glaze black, gloss glaze, and also can glaze by the antibacterial glaze, hydrophilic glaze. This is what our unique advantage in the raw material field. Also, you can see the workers are working in their independent area for the different products to glaze the different kinds of function or different colors. This will meet our customers' orders for the different requirements. When finished glazing and dry out, the bodies will enter into the queue for the finished products. Now we are at our fairing workshop. Tangshan Tech has two queues. One is shuttle queues. This shuttle queues is 128 cubic meters, and another is the panel queue. Now you may see this is the panel queue. It is the 96 meters long, and the working fairing circle is about 12 to 18 hours. So the half days working circle can guarantee the efficiency of our finished products. Also, as I told you, we have another city in Daqing. In Daqing, there is 3 panel queues. They have output capacity about 3 million pieces per year. Tangshan Tech has output capacity is about 800 pieces per year. This is a very large quantity, can meet large-scale requirements of the customer's need. Thank you. Hi everyone. Now we are in the area of finished product inspection workshop. I would like to have this opportunity to let you know our quality control system. We have very strict standard for our quality control because we have various kinds of customers from all over the world. So we are according to the standard, according to the European standard, American standard. They are very strict. For our inspection, we divided into 3 parts. There are semi-finished product inspection, finished product inspection, also the inspection after packing. For the semi-finished product inspection is for the dry body. After glazing, all the dry bodies will be 100% inspected, and we will check if the sides are within the standard, and check if there is any deformation or the mounting holes in right position, and also we will check there is any swelling. All the unqualified product will be destroyed and recycled. For the finished product inspection, we will check the appearance and function. Also, we will check the size are within the standard. All the mounting holes are in right positions. If there is any swelling, deformation, cracks, and third, make sure all products are qualified. Also, this finished product inspection is 100% inspected. Any unqualified products will not pass the inspection process. For the inspection after packing, after all products finish the inspection, we will pack the products. This inspection is for, we will deduct the partial or fully inspection. We will check if all the spare parts and accessory are all inside package, such as flush fittings, seat covers, bolts. These are all inside the package. Our inspection standard is very strict. This is just the only part of our quality control. So we can guarantee all the products delivered to the customers are qualified and with high quality. I just want to show you this is a series testing lines for our special products. It's the smart toilet we delivered to China local brand Panasonic. We can use the test machine to check for function for the inspection product, such as we can check the water leakage, air leakage, and function. Use some plastic rolls, plastic balls, ink to check function, the toilet flush clean or not. So before the packing for the toilet, we will check all the toilet under 100% inspected, and for our customers, they will not worry about the quantity and the quality for the products. Later, we will guide you to our packing department to see our department persons how to pack the products. Thank you.